Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Hugo.
We're sell quick, ship quick, part-time resellers.
Full-time hustlers.
And we are bringing you our what sold from this last week.
The week of
November
18th to
the 24th.
The 24th. It's been a good week.
Yeah.
I mean, it was busy, it was hectic, a lot of things going on still. I think that's just the story of our videos right now. We've had a lot of changes.
Yeah, and we're still trying to get back into a routine, so not really listing consistently. Like, we throw up a listing here and there. So I think our sales should be doing better.
But we'll be okay.
Alright. But if you like what sold videos, give us a thumbs up. And subscribe and hit that bell so you can get more from us when it does come out.
Yeah.
Alright, so we normally do our 2 highest and 1 lowest, but I forgot. And so we are just gonna do our 3 highest from any of the platforms. So that's eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari. On Monday, the 18th, we had 2 sales across the board.
Yeah.
I think this was like one of our lowest sold days in a while.
It was one of those like slight panic moments, like, what's going on?
Yeah, like, is eBay dead? Well, the other 2 were.
Well, the other ones were dead. eBay was just kind of dead.
Yeah. So we sold this Vince t-shirt and it took 30 days to sell. I really like picking up Vince because it normally takes less than like 2 months, I think, for us to sell it. And then next up we have this Cloth and Stone roll tab shirt, and this one took 32 days. And I've been seeing a lot of mixed views on Cloth and Stone because it's not selling for as much as it used to. But for the most part, I think the Cloth and Stone stuff that we do have, it does go pretty quickly.
We have a good turnaround. We don't sit on it for too long, and
we price within the
competitive is the word I was looking for. And sometimes, when you price competitively, it means you're not selling it at what it used to sell for. But if your goal is to get things moving, it works. And
I personally like the Cloth and Stone shirts, so then when I do see it, I have a hard time not picking it up, even though they're not making us big money.
Yeah.
All right, on Tuesday, the 19th, we had a Poshmark sale. It was these Beta brand pants, and this one took 30 days. This was not our first, our second Beta brand sale. But these Beta brand pants came from our reseller friend that we bought from. And she's up in the Bay Area where Beta brand, I think, like, originated, so.
Yeah, it makes sense why, we got it from there.
All right, and then on eBay, we made 2 sales.
We have this Madewell corduroy pants.
And it took 28 days later.
Without the zombies.
And then we have this Lululemon back at it tank. So in this picture, you only see the front, but on the back side, it's got a big, like, scoop neck, scoop back design. This one took 49 days to sell. And we did take a best offer on this. I think I had it priced like $5 more than what it sold for.
Yeah.
On Wednesday, we sold 3 items on eBay. Well, not just 3, but these are the 3.
But these are the 3 that we... and the first one we have is the Star Wars bomber jacket. This is one of my pickups.
He did find this. I have to give it to Hugo.
Not big bucks, but because of the craze for Star Wars, a very popular theme, series, movies, whatever you want to call it, I thought it'd be worth getting.
It was a really nice bomber jacket.
It was really nice.
Did we say it took 23 days? Because it took 23 days.
It took 23 days. Did we say it was 23 days?
I don't know, but it's 23 days.
Okay, we'll say it took 23 days.
And then next up we have this North Face 2XL, I think it's a 2XL fleece jacket. This one took 13 days to sell. So I normally put measurements on everything. But sometimes the men's items, I don't do measurements because we typically don't get questions about measurements for men's items. But this was the one time that we actually got a question for it. And I think this was the buyer that bought it.
I think it was too. They were asking the usual measurements.
Like pit to pit,
yeah, pit
and
to
length.
pit. But in this case, you listed it quick and just put the tag size.
Yeah.
It's sold.
Yeah, 13 days later.
Mm-hmm.
And then this Moth, which is an Anthropologie brand, or for I don't know. But Moth is sold at Anthropologie. So this is a chunky knit sweater, and it took...
Sorry, Ginger really wants our attention.
It took 145 days to sell. So the Anthro brands aren't flipping as quickly, or I'm sure there are some, but the ones that were fine, like Moth is not going as quickly as it once did. But when I find the chunky sweaters, I'm guilty of picking them up because they're cute and I want them to sell. So yeah.
Yeah, I can't say anything because in hard goods, I'll see things that are not always worth a ton of money, but I want to save it.
Yeah, so guilty right here. Thursday the 21st.
So Thursday we have right here, we have the Not Your Daughter jeans, size 12, black. This brand does well for us. It's not necessarily our highest selling in terms of how much it sells for we profit, but it does semi-go fit
Yes,
quick.
we do have a decent turnaround with the Not Your Daughter jeans. So
Yeah.
this one took 21 days. So there's a few of their styles that do really well for us. The Maryland Straight, I believe, those are the ones that flip pretty quickly. And then also the Alina Convertible has done well for us in terms of the turnaround time. And then, bye Ginger. Next up we have these J. Crew Reed jeans. I normally don't pick up J. Crew jeans. In the past we would pick up the Matchstick design, but I don't normally pick up J. Crew jeans. These were free from my aunt, so that is why we sold them, and it took 101 days to sell.
Which kind of proves why we don't really pick it up, because we expect it to sit for a bit.
Yeah.
And then here we got this Theory short sleeve peasant top. Yeah, so I get help with the keywords. I don't know all the keywords, but I am trying to learn.
And it took 34 days to sell.
Yeah.
All right, on Friday the 22nd, we had one sale, or not one sale, but we had sales across all the platforms. So our highest sold on eBay was a Hugo find.
If you guys watch our recent haul video, and I've said in a couple other ones too, hair rollers are still good, especially in the holidays. People are getting done up more, and then there's, I don't know when it is, but there's pageant season, and you could even use the word pageant when you're listing.
the title?
Yeah. But look them up by model. Normally on the bottom of the roller kits, they have a model, name model, and see what you get. They're not all made equally, but in this case, this one sold, and this one sold quick.
Yes, this took one whopping day. On Poshmark, we had picked up this Torrid sequin shift dress that was new with tags. I picked this up because holiday season is coming up, and I had a feeling someone was gonna need this really pretty sparkly dress for a party, and they bought it right now just in time for Thanksgiving and Christmas. And this one took 4 months to sell. And then on Mercari,
yeah, Mercari, we have this Betty Page dress. It has tiny little martini glasses. I don't know if you can see the picture, it's a little small for you guys. But it was good, sold at Mercari. So, I mean, 1 month, so it wasn't our most recent listing. We have said that on Mercari we sell quick what we list recently. But got a question on it, made sure to answer it in a timely manner, and we also like to leave notes on there when we reply to a counter whether it's, you know, because we offer free shipping or we'll get it out the next morning.
And then also on Mercari, if we get the notification that someone just recently liked the item, then we go and promote it and basically sending out an offer to the likers.
Yeah, so what it sold for was actually what I had sent out as an offer probably a few days prior.
Yeah. All right, on Saturday, this is our bolo. Krista Larson, which we had not heard of. This silk top took 10 days to sell. I think we had shown this in a haul video from a few weeks ago. I saw the shirt, it was new with tags, I walked by it, and then I thought, I should go and check the comms, just because I don't recognize the name, and the tag was like a handwritten tag, so like boutique-ish.
Yeah, I think it had like a dog picture.
Yeah, there was like a dog picture on the back, and I thought like, oh, I'm gonna regret it if I don't pick this up and check the comms. And when I checked the comms, they were in the hundreds of dollars. And I had posted about it, and then our friends, Denali and Laura, and we'll drop their YouTube channels below, they like immediately messaged me and was like, Krista's a bolo. Krista is the bolo.
Not a bolo.
Yeah, the bolo. But this, I think they're like handmade, one-of-a-kind designs. And so this was just a like plaid sleeveless, I think it was a one size top or small, I don't know. But
yeah,
it was a like oversized like login look top.
Yeah, I mean, it was very flowy. It's very pretty, but at the same time, you can miss it. Yeah,
so I mean, so now I'm like on the lookout for Krista because this made our sales goal.
Yeah, this helped us get our sales goal.
And then Hugo picked this one up.
Yes, this beautiful vest, which, again, I don't know style. I don't know. I looked at it. It was actually really nice. So,
did you pick this one up, or did I ask you to check comps in it? Did I find it? The vest?
I can't remember. I think she might have grabbed it and told me to verify, so I verified. Or I picked it. I don't know. There's a lot of clothes that, as you can see, we go through.
Well,
nonetheless, it's not a brand we knew, but looked it up.
And it took 20 days to sell.
Mm-hmm.
And actually, there was not a lot of comps on it. I think there was one comp.
Yeah, kind of went slightly on our gut on this one because there was not a lot of information out there on any of the platforms, because we do check on Posh and eBay.
Yes, so sometimes if we can't find a comp on eBay, we'll go and check on Poshmark. Like, especially like their Revolve brands. When we type them into eBay, we won't find anything, and then we go into Poshmark and then we see like the sold. Okay, and then on Poshmark we sold a bundle, and we don't typically sell bundles, not because we don't want to, but because people don't want to bundle our stuff.
People bundle, but they never do anything with it.
Yeah, so we get a bunch of like so and so,
added to the bundle.
Such and such.
Oh, that's such and such.
Bundled like 5 things, and then we send out an offer, and then it was like they were just playing tricks. Yeah. So anyway, 4 items. The Nike tank top, which we've had in our closet for a long time. So I don't know how long
these items are sitting there, but we can tell you that one.
Long time. Lululemon Cuddle Up jacket and the Roots Canada sweater both came from our reseller friend from up north. So I think those took about a month to sell. And then the Active Color Block windbreaker. So Active was the brand, which I think is just like some random brand. Yeah. Because when I looked up comps on eBay, it was giving me a bunch of like China branded windbreakers. Not necessarily this one, but the colors were super
bright, block colors.
They're in, I think, right now.
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
They're
in. I know it's in.
So we picked that one up. We were going back and forth with this buyer, and then
actually for some time, because the original bundle I think had 6 or more items, because I think they had some other things in there too. And then we also have a sale in our Poshmark. So if you bundle
I think 3 or more items you get 20% off, and then they were trying to get a lower discount from that 20%, so we were just kind of going back and forth, and then took the offer yesterday. All right, on Sunday, right now,
today,
we have a sold on each one. We have this Tommy Bahama 2XL button front shirt that was new with tags, and it took 65 days.
Yeah. Originally, if this is in one of our haul videos, and we said then, and we'll say it again, we normally don't pick up Tommy Bahama unless it's very intricate or big, or if it has tags on it possibly. And this one had 2 of those. It was a big size.
And it had tags. Poshmark. We sold this Madewell striped sweater. This took 8 months to sell. We find Madewell quite a bit where we are. I think we have like 60 items of Madewell. I don't know. Something up there.
Yeah, up there.
But this Madewell sweater was a full price sale on Poshmark, which we don't often see.
Yeah. So
this was a nice surprise.
Yeah. But it's a simple sweater, but I mean, there's still sales for it. Then on Mercari, a few hauls ago we talked about it and showed it, and actually, was this from up north?
Yep.
Yeah, this is from our friend up north. We have this Lucky Brand floral sweatpants.
And I think these are like, I don't know if they're vintage Lucky Brand, but when I looked them up on eBay, the comps were really high. More specifically for the white version, which we also have, but the black ones sold, was it full price in Mercari, or was it an offer?
No, it was an offer. So they offered, I believe they offered 50. I countered 55, which was 10 under what we were originally asking.
But so on Mercari, we offer free shipping on everything, and when we do message our buyers, we do let them know that with the cost of shipping included, if we can meet at a more reasonable offer. And usually, because the shipping is included, the majority of our counter offers gets accepted by the buyer.
Yeah.
So that might just be, you know, a tip out there for sellers.
Customer service that helps make the sale.
Yeah, from Mercari. But our total for this past week was $13.52 and 36 cents.
Yeah. I mean, keeping in mind, we're part-time resellers, so we do push to get these numbers out. It takes some work, but...
Yeah, and this last week we weren't consistently listing. I definitely did not share.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of surprised with our Poshmark sales.
And then the Poshmark shares I was doing was really, when I had time, I'd go on the recently liked and just send offers and share those items again. It was nothing.
I totally missed out like closet clear out and all that stuff. So it's still possible to make sales without
completely being active.
Yeah. But that concludes our what sold for this week. And yeah.
Yeah. Keep an eye out for more of these videos. We do these 3 times a week. We have a haul video, a what sold, and we like to do on Wednesdays normally.
These are like different.
Yeah, something different, something new thing we want to teach or talk about, or something we experience. Also, keep an eye out today, same day as this video is dropping, we have our collaboration video.
Yep.
So, keep an eye out and enjoy. Bye-bye.